Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to look at insert feature number 2, table, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on insert and hover over table, the menu to the right appears. I can now insert a table with the number of columns and rows I desire by hovering over the cells that will make my table. The maximum amount of rows and columns I can add into an initial table is 20 rows and 20 columns. In order to insert my table, all I have to do is click on the highlighted square for the amount of rows and columns I would like. As can be seen, I can now insert text and images within this table. If I need to add more rows or columns, I can right-click on the table and select the options from the menu that appears here. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.